Y'all, look what I've got. Do you guys know what these are? These are hair lighteners. You're supposed to like spray it on your hair, go out in the sun, and it's gonna lighten your hair. So we're gonna try it today, but we have one problem. Let me show you. This is our problem. There's no sun. There's no sun. There's my little cardinals. So I've got an idea. And if this idea doesn't work out, then we'll just wait for the sun. It is really windy too, so I just don't know how that's gonna work. I picked up the Frieda Go Blonder Lightening Spray. I'm not sure about this one because it says, well, just let me show you on the back. So this says it's customizable lightening for your best blonde, safe to use on natural hair and color treated hair. On the back, it shows pictures and I'll show you after 10 uses. I ain't got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Okay, let's see if we can focus this here. 10 uses. That's why I might be leaning more towards this. This is the Sunbum hair lightener. Premium hair lightener enriched with Costa Rican, pineapple, and Meyer lemon. Okay. So let's read the product description. Our blonde hair lightener is a UV activated formula that uses ingredients like Costa Rican pineapple, lemon to amplify the natural lightening effects of the sun and help brighten blonde highlights. I know it says you need UV, but someone used hair lightener and they just dampened their hair. They sprayed this and then they blow dried it and it worked. So I'm like, maybe I'll give it a go. If it works, it works. If not, we'll wait for this dang sun to get out. But basically, yeah, you just spray it on dry or damp hair before sun exposure. It says for sun-kissed highlight, spray onto select strands. To avoid over drying, do not apply more than once between hair washes. Oh, I gotta show you my hair. Do you guys think this is bad or am I just delulu? It's been 4 months since I have colored my hair. So like, she dark. This is all my natural color, girl. This is all natural. So we are definitely grown out. And it's driving me nuts. So that's why I want to try this lightener spray to see how it goes. Let's head to the bathroom. I'm actually terrified it's gonna make my hair orange. If it's yellow, like that's okay. I have a purple shampoo, so I can make it like cool tone, but
orange? You can't fix orange.
So if that happens, we're in trouble. Put y'all back down here. There we go. Okay, I didn't want to get it like soaking wet. I'm also afraid, is it gonna like stain my sweatshirt? Because this sweatshirt is like my favorite. Bubblegum pink. So I think I'm gonna drape a towel around. I don't usually do this because I spend so much money coloring my hair. Actually, she's pretty affordable. When I went to Florida though, holy cow. The amount I spent on my hair, it was like $400 to get my hair done. Now I spend like, with tip, maybe like $2. Still expensive, but I feel like my hair looks really good and it's colored. I'm scared. So this is gonna be the Sunbum side and this is gonna be the Frieda. I feel like the Frieda is not gonna do much because it says it gradually lightens, but
here we go.
So we're just gonna spray it. It smells pretty good. Oh, can you see it? It smells good. And I'm gonna spray it all down. I don't know if I should be doing sections. My hair is so fine that like, it really doesn't matter. I wanna be sure it's even though, so maybe I will do sections. I do wanna make sure I get underneath because it's really bad underneath. Good. Like we're pretty well saturated. Look at this hair. It's damp. This side I'm actually nervous about because I feel like this could really do some damage. Okay, this smells, oh my gosh, this smells so good. Way better than the Frieda one. Frieda smells good, but it's more like a shampoo, like clean smell. This is like tropical oasis. It smells like bananas. So hopefully that's enough. I don't know, never used this before. I'm gonna blow dry on high heat. All right, we are all dried. What do we think? It's hard for me to tell, it honestly is, but when I saw this piece right here, this is the Frieda side. Frieda? Yeah, Frieda. I was like, ooh, that's pretty blonde. Like it was not that blonde before, I don't think. So here is my hair down, the side, still pretty dark, right? If I can go outside, I'm gonna go outside. I'm not gonna spray more in because I don't wanna like dry out my hair. But with what is already in, hopefully that can lighten it even more. I don't know. I'll come back at the end of the day and let y'all know. All right, so here is my hair after laying, well, I wasn't really laying out. I was playing outside with my son for about an hour. Do you guys think it looks brighter and blonder? I don't know. I think it does. I do. I'm gonna kind of turn for you guys so you can compare. It was super windy, so I feel like it wasn't as windy. I would have had a little bit better results. I'm definitely going to try again tomorrow. Hopefully it's not as windy. This is day 1, come back for day 2. Do you guys see this? So I use like a dark spot corrector and I burnt myself with it. I left it on too long and it literally burnt my skin. I've never had that happen. I use this dark spot corrector because I have some acne scars. Well, not really acne, but just pimples. And yeah, that's what happened. We're gonna go outside for a little bit and fingers crossed we come back a blonde bombshell.
2 hours later.
All right guys, here is what my hair looks like. So again, this was the sunbum side. This was the John Frieda. My hair is definitely pulling some brassy. Let me show you what she said. Some brassy tones. Do you see this? So let's take a look at the sunbum side. It definitely lightened it. I can tell my brown is lighter. And this was only like an hour of being outside in the sun. And this is the John Frieda side. I feel like the sunbum side looks better than John Frieda. I feel like John Frieda pulled more brass than this side. What do you guys think? I did not do underneath, so that is still very dark. And here is the back. So I don't like the brassy look, so I am gonna go in with a purple shampoo and I'm gonna share with you guys what I do and how I do that. So the best purple shampoo that does not dry my hair out, does not make my hair feel brittle and disgusting is this. There we go. Olaplex number 4. It is very pigmented, it is very purple. So what I do is I mix this in with my shampoo to kind of dilute it a little bit. So yeah, here's what my hair looks like. And then we're gonna use the purple shampoo and I'll show y'all what that looks like. All right, so this is what my hair looks like after the purple shampoo. So the purple shampoo, it did take some of like the brassy tones out of my blonde. Let me just kind of make sure it's parted. So here's my roots. You guys can let me know if you see like a major difference. And I didn't straighten it or anything, so sorry about that. I'll show you the back. So I forgot with a purple shampoo, that's just gonna counteract like a brassy blonde. If I have like a brassy, like kind of orangey brunette pieces, that's a separate type of like shampoo. They actually make like a blue shampoo specifically for like a brassy orangey brunette, and I don't have that. Didn't like lighten my hair to where I'm like,
Whoa, you know? I mean,
it lightened it, but I don't feel like this side, correct me if I'm wrong, this is the John Frieda side. I feel like it's more orangey than this side. What do you guys think? I don't know. I'm sitting here editing and I just realized I forgot to give you my final thoughts. Would I use this again? No. It made my hair orange. Like, no thank you. I like cool tone. It made it brassy and that is just not my style. So did it work? I think it did kind of for my blonde, but like it's really hard to avoid my brown. So I don't know, maybe this would work better if you were like all blonde, no like low lights or anything. I am getting my hair done next week, so I don't have to live with this orangey tone for much longer, but yeah, no, thumbs down.